Black Widow Bites in Dogs by Dr. Erica Irish DVM. Veterinarian 4 minutes read 0 comments. Table of contents. Empty heading. Where can dogs get bitten by a black widow spider? Symptoms of a black widow spider bite. What to do if your dog has been bitten by a black widow spider. A white dog lays on green grass. Dr. Erica Irish, author of Black Widow Bites in Dogs. When thinking about insects that can cause health problems in dogs and cats, common ectoparasites like flea or ticks usually come to mind. These are often easily identified because fleas like to live on their furry hosts and ticks remain attached to their hosts for several days while feeding. Flea and ticks are parasitic insects that require hosts to complete their life cycle. In contrast, spiders are not parasitic, meaning that they don't require a dog or cat host to life out their lives. Most spiders would very much like to hide away from other animals, but there may be situations when a spider bite occurs. Almost all species of spider inject venom into their bites, but the amount of venom that is injected is very small. For black widow spiders, however, even the tiniest amount of venom can cause serious health problems. What happens when a dog gets bitten by a black widow spider, and what can you do about it? Where can dogs get bitten by a black widow spider? Black widow spiders, Latrodectus mactans, are tiny insects that are only 3 to 10 millimeters long. They can be dark gray to black in color, and mature spiders have the classic red hourglass shape on their abdomens. Younger spiders, however, may not develop this pattern until later in life. Black widow spiders favor warm, temperate climates like those in the southern United States. They can be found in outdoor locations such as tree stumps, rodent holes, and piles of leaves. They can also set up webs inside of garages, basements, and open buildings such as barns. Bites can occur when dogs go for walks outside or if the spider becomes trapped or accidentally stepped on. Black widows are not an aggressive spider species and prefer to hide away from other animals, but in situations where they are stressed, they may bite. Sometimes, this bite is considered dry, meaning that it did not break skin or no venom was injected. Unfortunately, envenomation is successful more than 80% of the time. Symptoms of a black widow spider bite. Black widow spider venom contains a neurotoxin that can cause clinical signs related to the nervous system. It excites the neurons at the nervous system cells and can lead to muscle twitching or tremors. Bites can also cause muscle cramping and very stiff or tense abdominal muscles. Excitation of the nervous system can lead to an elevated heart rate and respiratory rate. In severe cases, seizures, paralysis, and respiratory arrest can occur. Vomiting and diarrhea are among the most common clinical presentations for spider bites. Drooling, which can indicate nausea, is also common. Pain and swelling usually occur at the bite site. Because of this pain and discomfort, spider bite victims may appear restless and will whimper or cry often. The good news is that these signs happen much more frequently than the severe or life-threatening signs. What to do if your dog has been bitten by a black widow spider? Spider bites are rarely witnessed, but it is very helpful if you can identify a spider near your dog when the bite has taken place. If your pup has acute swelling in one part of his body, and if he is lethargic or has a fever, your veterinarian might suspect that your dog has been bitten.